Do you want to give an instant boost to your immune system? Do you want to remove mucus from the lungs? The immune system of the human body is the defense against attacks of various microorganisms that enter our body through various means. It is made up of several other tissues and organs in the body, and together these strange bodies fight. With the immune system, the lungs are also one of the most important organs as they are responsible for inhaling and storing oxygen while exhaling carbon dioxide from the body through the nose. If the nose becomes clogged due to mucus, it can affect the lungs as well. So to make it strong, you need to look at the masterful drink they have shared, which stimulates and strengthens the immune system. It is very good for both children and adults, and for children, as is clear both to the lungs, and strengthen the immune system. Mucus and lung problems. Children are forced to get sick because they play on all kinds of dirt, water and dirt. Your immune systems are developing and making it stronger against various diseases. The most common things that affect children are cold and cough. But if the cold and cough persists, it could mean that the mucus builds up in the lungs and can be serious. Importance of the immune system in our body. All of these components combine with some other parts of the body that form the immune system and keep us safe from most diseases against which antibodies are produced, which kills the virus that can become a disease. Here is a drink that can boost your immune system and work wonders for your lungs. Ingredients to make the masterful drink. All you need is oatmeal, honey and water to make the masterful drink. Rinse the oats with water and mix with 1 glass of honey and a glass of water. The glass needed to measure honey and water should be 100 milliliters capacity. Boil the mixture for a few minutes and leave it as is for the time of night. In the morning, the strain of the drink and store in a glass bottle. You can keep the mixture in the refrigerator and it will last all week. It is necessary to drink 30-40 milliliters of this drink on an empty stomach. Even a child can drink this and boost their immune system. You need to keep doing this for more than 40 days. Take a 15-day break in the center and repeat for 40 days. Do not miss the days and make sure you do it for 40 days. For children, this may mean that the immune system will be strong enough to fight against any kind of viruses and bacteria, and that it is not necessary to repeat the process over and over again. This drink completely eliminates the formation of excess mucus in the throat and lungs. The lungs will be free of any obstruction and will be able to work freely. Your child will never sneeze or spit out raw color of phlegm. I asked.